So it's really interesting to understand the wide scope of this partnership, Emmanuel. But all in all, can you tell us what are the key benefits that Keolis subsidiaries are experiencing with the maintenance teams now having the ability of checking their vehicles remotely in real time at any time?
Yeah, so we try to summarize in three main categories the benefits of the solution. So the first one, the real-time fleet monitoring. So with this solution, I give some examples, but you will have the opportunity and the ability to have mileage monitoring. You have tire pressure monitoring. You have a clear view of fluid level monitoring. You've got, as I said, and not only for the traction battery, the battery health monitoring. You've got the vehicle geolocalization. You've got energy consumption monitoring. And of course, with a bit of that, you are able to anticipate online breakdown. The second one, maintenance efficiency, is more to use the solution to dig deeper on the way that we deliver our processes. So you can have an optimization of the planned maintenance operation. You can optimize as well the spare part management and your stock optimization. Of course, as I said, you can manage manufacturer warranty, condition monitoring. You have the opportunity to have data analysis tool for workshop diagnostic. And as I said already, electric vehicle charging monitoring. And this one, we know that it is really, really important for the new technology of electric vehicle. The third one, network performance. So it's really a solution to give input to increase the fleet safety, the availability of the fleet, and the reliability of the fleet. You can have some good or the right data to work on fleet lifespan. As I said, with Tour, you've got a possibility to optimize eco-driving and ensure that driver drive at the right level and best practices for the comfort of the passenger. All the information enables us to do continuous improvement in our process. And of course, last one but not least, a real advantage and possibility to work on cost reduction, cost saving, which is, of course, really important for an operator as Keolis.